Welcome. If you've ever struggled to find that one important link shared in your WhatsApp group, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the easiest way to view all shared links in a specific WhatsApp group, updated for the latest version. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device. You'll land on your main chat screen, where all your conversations are listed. Next, scroll through your chats and tap on the group where you want to find the shared links. This will open the group chat window. Now, look at the very top of your screen and tap the group's name. This takes you to the group's information page, where you'll see details about the group, its participants, and more. Here's where all the group's shared content is neatly organized. Scroll down until you see the section labeled Media, Links, and Docs. Tap on this option. You'll now see 3 tabs at the top: Media, Links, and Docs. Each tab holds a different type of content shared within the group. Tap on the Links tab. Instantly, you'll see a list of every link ever shared in this group chat. The links are displayed in chronological order, making it easy to scroll back and find exactly what you're looking for. Whether it's an article, a video, or a website, all the shared links are gathered here for quick access. This feature is incredibly useful for revisiting important resources, catching up on missed conversations, or simply keeping track of what's been shared in your group. No more endless scrolling through messages. Everything you need is just a few taps away. So, to recap, open WhatsApp, go to your group, tap the group's name at the top, select Media, Links, and Docs, then tap on Links. That's it. You now have a simple and effective way to view all shared links in any WhatsApp group. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying organized in your WhatsApp groups.